Okay, guys. I made a real big error here because it's Friday, and I want to fix that right now. So I'm gonna do some erasing here. No, I'm not. I'm gonna write over here. If I have this 3 over root 7, I can fix that by multiplying by root 7 because that's a monomial. If I have 3 over 2 root 7, I can fix that by multiplying by root 7 because it's a monomial. But if I have 3 over 2 root 7 plus 1, I need to multiply that 2 root 7 minus 1 because this is a binomial. I got in a groove. It's Friday. I'm stupid. And I forgot that over here. That's why this one didn't work. So what I really need to do here is multiply by 2 root 3 minus root 2. I do need that because this is a binomial. 2 root 3 minus root 2. So now let's fix it up. 2 root 3 times 2 root 3 is 2 times 2 is 4. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. And then the middle terms are going to drop out. So, and then root 2 times root 2 is minus 2. Up on top, I'm going to use colors. That's the first one. 6 root 6. That's the second one. Minus 3 times 2. That's the third one. Plus 2 times 3. And that's the fourth one. Minus root 6. Now I collect all my like terms. 6 root 6 minus 6 plus 6 minus root 6 over 12 minus 2. That is 5 root 6 over 10, which we simplify to root 6 over 2. That is right. Now let's come over to here. I'm going to do this twice. I'm going to do this one the way Sydney suggested it. This is going to become 2 root 2 over, this is 4 times 3. So this is 6 root 3 minus 4 root 3 over 2 root 3. Now, in this case, because this is a monomial, I need only multiply by root 3 because it's a monomial. So then I get 2 root 6 over 2 times 3, which is 2 root 6 over 6, which is root 6 over 3. Everybody cool? And I'm going to leave it like that for a second to let you look at it. All right, now I'm going to do this. If I keep the 2, I am allowed to, I just don't need to. Then I get 4 root 6 over 4 times 3, which is 4 root 6 over 12, which is still root 6 over 3. See how it works? As long as we keep it as a monomial, I don't need the coefficient. Now, if I erase all this, and I do this the long way, and I'm going to multiply by 3 root 12 plus 4 root 3. 3 root 12 plus 4 root 3. So the numerator is 6 root 24 plus 8 root 6 over, now down here, That's 3 times 12. 3 times 3, which is 9,
There we go.
times
Those
12,
are the dimensions.
minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 3. So that's 6 root 24 plus 8 root 6 over 108 minus 48, which is 12 root 6 plus 8 root 6 over 60, which is 20 root 6 over 60, which once again is root 6 over 3. That is the proper way to do it with all three methods. The point I'm trying to make is this. Coefficients
This.
must
This is 12.
must be included if the denominator is binomial or larger.
So I want to for that.